Hello, in the previous video I explained the steps of executing a test case using GUI. Now in this video I will explain the steps to execute the test case using TestOps for automation testing, which was prepared in the second step. To start the execution, click on the Execute Test Case button. From the pop-up, click on Via TestOps button. Under that, click on the API button. It will open the Jenkins in a new tab. As I mentioned earlier, the prepared test case will be auto-created as a new job in the Jenkins. Click on This is the test case which was prepared in the second step. Click and open on that. From the left panel, click on the Configure button. Scroll down, you will find the Build. Under that, you will find the Execute Windows Batch command. By default, the parameters will be set to as iterations as 1, virtual users as 1, and ramp-up period as 1. The parameters must be set to default as we are performing automation testing. Click on the Save button. Now click on the Build Now button and it will start the building process. Under the build history, click on the build number and click on the console output from the left panel. Here you can see the building process details. Wait till the building is completed. Now the building process is completed successfully. Close the Jenkins. Now go to the folder location where the project has been saved. For that, open the Windows Explorer. Under the Dawn folder, you will find the API testing folder. Under API testing, click and open TestOps. Under TestOps, and click on open the demo_dawn. Under the demo_dawn, you will find a folder name with the same name as the test case name. Click and open. Under that, you will find the Newman_reports folder. Click and open. Under this folder, you will find a result file called result.html. In this HTML, you will find the number of iterations, the number of requests that have been sent to the server, and all the APIs that have been recorded in the first step. So the number of iterations is 1, the requests are 10, and if you scroll down, you will have all the APIs. So this is how you have to execute a test case using TestOps. In the next video, I will explain how to analyze the results of the test case, which is executed in this step. To post your projects, visit our website, TestOnNeed.com. For further assistance, contact us on sales@TestOnNeed.com. Do connect with us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Stay tuned. Thank you.